Hey folks, Masfur from WM Originals back with another video, and today I wanna show you all how to write AI content without being detected and without plagiarizing. First, if you want to use GPT 3.5 or GPT 4 to write essays, articles, blog posts, or wanna write research papers or assignments or any other type of document, then you should watch this video fully. In this video, I will show you all how to use AI to create content without AI score and plagiarism. Not only this, the content created can bypass AI detectors and plagiarism checking tools like Turnitin, Originality.ai, CopyLeaks and many others. So without wasting much time, let's get started how to write undetectable AI content, and for this we will be using EssayGPT by HixAI. EssayGPT by HixAI is the best AI essay writing co-pilot that can help us to write, edit and improve essay writing at one place. It offers diverse topics and perspectives for essay writing, which helps to humanize AI generated essay to bypass AI detection and avoid getting flagged by Turnitin, GPT-0, Originality.ai and other AI detector tools. That's amazing. So let's get started and know how to use EssayGPT. And for that, simply follow the links in description and pin comment to visit EssayGPT official website. Now click on try for free. Next, we can continue with Google account or use Gmail. Once logged in, here we have our EssayGPT dashboard with different essay writing tools. We can use EssayGPT essay generator to generate plagiarism-free essay and scholarly papers. Next, we have EssayGPT writer that helps to edit essay, add citations, check plagiarism and more. After that, we have Hix Scholar Chat. Here we can simply ask a question and get science-based answers backed by 200 million plus papers. Well, there are many more EssayGPT tools like Essay Rewriter, Essay Extender, Essay Checker and more. First, we can do so much with EssayGPT, but for first, let's know how to generate plagiarism-free essay, and for that, click on Generator. Next, here we can describe the topic for our document. Let's generate a document for how to create a website. Next, we have to select essay type, which can be basic, descriptive, narrative, persuasive or comparative. Selected descriptive. Now from here we can choose words like 100 to 200, 300 to 500 and 500 to 800. As we are creating an essay, selected 500 to 800. Next, we can choose language. Here we get so many options with different regional language support. Choose as per your requirement. I am selecting it to be English. Now here is the best part, undetectable mode. This helps to write AI text which can't be detected by various AI detectors. So I will suggest you to check this box. Next, we have two options to generate essay on the given topic, one-click generation or generate titles. Let's choose one-click generation for now. EssayGPT will start generating essay and it will also check for grammar errors to make correction. Once our essay is ready, here we have AI detection score for various AI detectors. It shows the output content seems to be human written. Here it confirms that our AI generated essay can bypass different AI detectors. Let's close it. Now here EssayGPT has generated essay on our topic, how to create a website. So well detailed and comprehensive essay is ready. Now we can use it wherever we want to. We can use it on our blog or website, or if you are a student, you can use it for your assignments. Here shows the number of words with characters, reading time with speaking time. We can simply copy it from here or can also download it in different formats. Wow, is not that fantastic? Now let's make our essay a proper research document, and for that we can use EssayGPT Writer tool. So now let's know how to use EssayGPT Writer, and for that simply click on Writer. From here we can generate more content. Simply enter / twice and then we get option to ask AI anything. Like we can write outline for research paper, case study, lab report and much more. Can also write title, abstract, instructions or brainstorm ideas. Let's write a research paper about website creation and then click click on this. Within seconds we have outline ready for research document. Now we can click done or continue writing, make it shorter or longer. Also, if we don't like the content, then we can simply click on try again or click discard. Let's click continue. See here, SAGPT Essay Writer adds further content to our document. Amazing work. We have long enough document ready. Let's click on done now. Now paste the content that we had generated using SAGPT Essay Generator. Well, not only this, we can also use SAGPT Research Tool or Scholar Chat to add more content to our document. Let's add some more text, like let's ask it for basic things required to create a website, and within seconds we will get a brief response from Scholar Chat. Now we have not only got text for our document but have also got sources for the same. Now as we are making research document, we can simply add this data to our essay writer editor. Simply click on add to our editor. We can make further edits like removing this text. Now see, here we have created a comprehensive research document on the topic with conclusions. Simply fantastic work by SAGPT. We can use Essay Generator to generate AI content which is 100% humanized text, and then use Essay Writer to make it more comprehensive using SAGPT Research Tool and a Scholar Chat feature. You can also access these from your SAGPT dashboard. Here we get so many more other tools to generate AI content. Want me to cover those in future videos? Share your views and feedback in comments. So first, I must say SAGPT is all you need if you wanna write essays, articles, blog posts, or even if you wanna write research document or assignments. And I will highly recommend you all to try it out. Wanna try? Then simply find the links in description and pin comment. That's what I had for today. Hope you found this useful and got value. If yes, let me know by smashing that like button. Also share your views and feedback in comments. And if you are new to WM Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Techie Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Today I wanna show you all the best ways to bypass AI detectors and how to humanize AI content. Now want to know how to rewrite undetectable AI content that can bypass AI detectors?